in trouble with logouts of other sessions on the X app. If you can't log out all devices, the option isn't working, or another session remains active. These troubleshooting steps may help. In this video, I will show you how to fix logout of other sessions on X app. The first thing you have to do is to go to X app. Then here in this page, you will find this sign of profile. You will tap here. You will go to settings and privacy. You will go to this window of security and account session or account access. Then you will go to apps and sessions. Then this page you will go to sessions. And here we click on logout from other sessions as you see, and you will tap here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.